Welcome to Best Car Fixes. Thank you for following us on subscription. Please subscribe, share, and like. Today we have 2008 Ford E350 with SRS light on configuration code. What do we need to do? Car. I already first, when you come to those vans, you're gonna see an extra OBD2 connector here. If you want to do any programming or diagnosis, please disconnect it and connect your scanner into the original one, so you don't have to get trouble when you do diagnose or programming. The airbag light was on and blinking continuously. Let me turn the key off. Turn the key on. You see that light there? That's the airbag light. And when I come first, it was blinking continuously. When I go to the diagnosis, this is what I get. On the programming mode, on the diagnose, I get this code. Let me click on for you. You see here, module configuration failure, B2477. That means they put a used airbag control module in this car, and that they put a brand new one, and that brand new one was not yet configured to the car. The airbag control module always come with module. It can come work for more than 5, 6, 7, 8 different 100 cars. Based on the VIN number, you have to put the right configuration to the that's where the light blinking fast and you're getting this code. Okay, I'm getting another code. Do you have any other code here? He said module configuration failure. This may be the past, or I just open what is there to diagnose it. Okay, in order for you to program this car, when you have this code and also throttle actuator codes, I'm gonna try to go back and run a self-test again, but it's better to turn the key off on and delete all the codes first. I have a code here. This DTC. Okay, let me see what DTC I have. Okay, let me just run that self-test again and then see what happened, what code we have, and then I will show you where you're gonna go to get the as-built data, because he will ask you for as-built data sometime. Okay, let me delete the code first. As we know what code we have. I'm gonna delete all the code and see if the code will come back again. If it didn't come, that means it's done. But what you need to do is, when you have an airbag code like this, or you put if you want to put a new airbag, sometimes you can leave the old one, read the information, and write it back to the new one. If you don't have it, you see now everything pass. Airbag, RCM pass, engine pass, everything pass, and those are the code that were there before. The B2477-E0 and B2477, they all configuration code. In case you need to configure the car. Okay, right now I'm gonna clear this. I'm gonna exit from this one here, and then I will exit from. You come to module programming. You see here. And then you click on programming, and then you click on RCM, look, show you. And then you click here, he said turn the ignition on, click next. I already programmed, but in case you need to program, what you need to do, turn the ignition off. It will verify VIN, is this is the right VIN? You say yes. And now put the new module. I put it on, turn the ignition on. Now he will take you to get an as-built data and configuration from Ford, from PTS homepage. This is for the people who work with the dealership, or from the FMCD dealer. Anyhow, I'm gonna give you one that is easy. You're gonna go here. They call it motocraftservice.com as-built data. It's free. Let me show you how. Like here, I already did one. I came here and I put, let me show you how it's going. When you open, yeah, here you see, when you come here, this is the VIN number that I already put it in. You see, This is the VIN number that I put it in for as-built data. It gives you even the tier tag for the car. But if you never been here before, after you come to the website, you don't need to log in. You don't need to do anything. Just go to the free sources here. You see free sources here, and go down to quick guide. Click quick guide, and then scroll down to module letter M. You see module as-built data. Look here, module as-built data. Double click on it. Now you're gonna put your VIN number here. The VIN number, you see, that must be here. I already have. Okay, now I'm gonna click Control V. That's the VIN number for this car. And now you have to scroll down a little bit here. Yes, and then you have to write down with the capital letter L as in Larry, Q what? Let's see what, P as in Peter. Now you submit. Here you see your VIN number pop up. Your VIN number pop up, and then the vehicle data. If you can download the file, you can download the file, and now you have this file inside your calibration data, or in the file, in the folder. If you want to see what folder it's supposed to go inside fourth folder. You see, like, it's here already, but if you go to program data or any other place, you can get this files there. Okay, forget about this one. Now we're gonna come to the as-built data. Scroll down here. You see, this is the engine computer file. That if you put this one in the engine computer, you're gonna get the computer program correctly. That's the software for it. But let's scroll down. You see here, there's a PCE module. Instrument cluster have only like one line. Look here, this is the airbag module. You're gonna take a picture of it. Take a picture of this as-built data, and then go back to your. Now when you click next, it will open this page. Each line, 7370101. If you go back here, you're gonna get 70101, and it is 4080. That is programming data that you need to put it there. As soon as you put it, it will open another page, another line, another line, another line, till you come to the last line. As soon as you finish, your ignition is on. It will tell you turn the ignition, leave it on. It tell you turn the ignition off, turn it on, and you're good to go. Also for the air security system, if you need to program security system, sometime for the ABS. You see, ABS also it have for this particular car. Okay, as soon as you finish, you go back, you clear the code, you disconnect your machine, and your airbag system is configured. And this is also a work for engine computers, and it work for all others computers. Just take it easy and spend your time and do it. This is what they call as-built data. As-built data, the data that is in the car when the car is manufactured from the beginning. And this one will work in all four. All four. You want to program something, you are not sure what are you going to do there, get the tier tag of the software. You will get the software information. You put the tier tag, you put all the other information, and you're good to go. The second thing I'm trying to say is you need an internet. Without internet, you cannot use the IDS, which is here. If you need to program a car. Second, what do you need? Charger for your laptop. Get even this one. If you don't have a power, you don't have electricity, get this one here. At least your cell phone have to be charged. Your laptop have to be connected, at least to keep the power up. Don't forget to put your charger in the car. It's very important. You don't want to program a module with a dead battery. This is what I have for today. Please subscribe, share, and like. And if you have any question, feel free to ask. Say thank you for supporting my humble channel, and I will say thank you for anyone all over the world, general our planet. I really appreciate it. I have a guy called me from Chile. Thank you for calling, and I appreciate, and I do my best to help you fixing that wiring diagram. Actually, he need a wiring diagram for a truck. I believe it's Chinese built futon. I will look at that and I'll try to help you. And please subscribe, share, and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Noor Harun Idris, and the guy who called me from Chile also is Muhammad Noor. So I say hello to you from here, and be safe. Thank you.